Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. One thing I did want to point out is that remember when I showed you guys this golden nugget on the top trending crypto and how to get there on your TradingView app? You simply filter, click on crypto, and then go back. The great part about this is that I have actually been looking at the brand new, like newer crypto that are on the trending list, and one that I was keeping my eye on is called Near, and the Near crypto. And all it's been doing really, it's been running, even though everything crashed, Near has been running to the upside, right? I mean, even getting in a little bit late at $5.70, you know, maybe back last week, you would have seen a full 100% gain, right? So this is why, you know, that the trending page on TradingView is super important. You know, it just gives you a lot of tickers and which ones, you know, are looking to maybe run to the upside, right? So, you know, I usually don't look at the ones up here because these are going to be your general most popular ones like Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, ADA, XRP, you know, DOT seems to be new up in the top trending. So next time, if there's rallies, expect this one maybe to jump a little bit higher than others. But again, you know, just look at the trending page, see which ones are actually at the bottom, maybe take a note of which ones are in the top 10, come back daily and see which ones have moved. Like I saw Near somewhere down where TLM was, I think last week, and then now Near is actually more, you know, getting closer and closer to the middle of the trending, and it's, you know, it's one of the ones that essentially blew up to the high side, right? So again, it's the same thing. Like TLM's a new one that I've been seeing. There's another one that I saw, Alice is another one that I've been seeing. This one actually dumped, but you know, it's just a good thing. It's just a good place to know, you know, which oh, AXS, this one actually moved a lot. This one actually moved a lot. Started what, $3? Jesus, I did like a 30x since when, June? That's not bad. But again, you know, it's just about looking at the trending. Look at the trending, look what's trending. These are basically the tickers or the crypto that are being that are having the most TA done, right? And when you see them on the lower half of this page, generally they start to get a lot of attention. But once they move from here to somewhere like in the middle, then you're like, oh, okay, you know, this is definitely something to possibly look into. Look at the research, look at price, and then kind of see where it's going. So just a little reminder, a little golden nugget of how to catch trending crypto before possibly they blow up. So I'll see you guys later.